Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have this, we call it jogging ring. This is a weighted wrist strap. So it has safety, reflective stripes, fabric loop for keys, ergonomic design, comfort, fit, shape, neoprene fabric from Gymnastic Power. There's their information there. Same thing on this side. They check box both for some reason. And yeah, okay. All right, let's open it up here. There's two weights here. Here's the reflectives. I'm showing light on it, but it's not very reflective. Here's a tab. I'm not sure for your keys. They said you can attach your keys to it, and then you just put it on your wrist. I have a pretty small wrist, so there's some space. Yeah. It's good for when you go running or if you need some additional weights. These are £1 a piece. So, yep. That is it. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you help support the channel. So, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.